Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a client tutorial for you, and this is going to be a bridal look featuring some glowy skin and pretty natural but glam eye makeup. So first I'm starting off by brushing the brows with a spoolie, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Soft Brown. Now I'm just using my Rimmel London Wake Me Up Concealer to carve out the brows as well, just to clean up all the stray hairs. So now I'm using my Plouise base to prime the eyes for eyeshadow. I always use this on my clients now. I haven't used normal concealer on my clients in ages, because I find this is just so much better. So now I'm just buffing that base out, making sure it's an even consistency by patting it down. And this eyeshadow base does not need to be set with powder or anything. The shade that I used in this base is Rumour number 2. So now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette and going in with the eyeshadow called Incense. This is just a light brown for the transition colour. I'm just blending that out pretty much all over the eyelid, but keeping it away from the eyebrows. Now I'm going in with the shade Volatile, and this is just to deepen up the eyeshadow a bit. I'm concentrating this on the outer corners of the eyes, and I'm leaving the inner corner quite bare. Sorry for the light changes. I use daylight as well as my ring light, so it's a bit inconsistent. Now I'm using my Rimmel London Wake Me Up Concealer, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner of the eye to lighten things up a bit and put down a sticky base again. So now I'm using my Peaches Makeup pigment in Gatsby, and I lost the footage for that, so sorry about that, but you can see the end result of putting the pigment on. And now I'm just doing a winged liner with my Inglot 77 gel liner. This is my favourite liner to use on clients. It's really black and pretty easy to use. And I make sure to use a really thin angled brush for this. Now that that's done, I'm just putting some mascara on her lashes. And now I'm going to be applying Tatti lashes in TL39. These are pretty dramatic, but they also look quite natural as well. So now to moisturise, I'm using the Sukin facial moisturizer, and this has all natural ingredients, so I love to use it on all my clients. Now I'm using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer, as my client mentioned she had oily skin in her T-zone. Now I'm just concentrating that in the middle of her face, and then whatever's left I'm spreading it out. Now to glow up her skin a bit, I'm using the Becca Cosmetics Illuminating, what was it called? Illuminating Skin Finish? I'm not sure, I'll link it down below. So now I'm just colour correcting some little spots that she had. And for foundation, my go-to is MAC Pro Longwear for my clients, since it suits a lot of skin types. The shade I use here, I'm pretty sure, is NC25. So now I'm just using a buffing brush to blend it all out. I find that a brush gives a way better finish than a beauty blender, and it's so much more easier to sanitize. Now I'm using the Rimmel London Wake Me Up Concealer once again, just to highlight her face and add a little bit of extra coverage. And blending it out with the buffing brush once again. I lost some footage here, so I used the RCMA No Colour Powder to set her face. Oh wait, before that I used the RCMA foundation palette to actually cream contour, and I used a Sigma blush, I'm not sure which shade, I'll link it down below. And I actually did her lower eyeshadow with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. So right now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guirerro Glow Kit, which is my favourite, and I'm using the shade Forever Young. Now to line her lips, I'm using my Mellow Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Rose. And to finish that off, I'm using my Peaches and Cream lip gloss in the shade Bambi. This lip gloss smells amazing, guys, and I highly recommend it. It looks so good, it's like the perfect nude. And that's the finished look, guys. This is Bridal Glam, and to be honest, it's one of my favourite looks to do. A lot of my clients request this look.